But first tonight, flu continues to surge across the Carolinas, and there are still fears of a tripledemic of flu, RSV, and COVID. We thank you for joining us here for the news at 5:30. I'm Vanessa Rufus.
And I'm Fred Shropshire. This year's National Influenza Vaccination Week, which is happening right now, is even more crucial. WCNC Charlotte's Carolyn Bruck has more on how you can keep you and your family safe.
The Carolinas continue to be in the CDC's high activity level when it comes to the flu. The season peaking much earlier than previous years.
During this time last year, we just started to see some positive flu tests. It wasn't really till January or February where we saw the true flu peak last year. So this year's peak has come much earlier than we typically see.
With 19 days until Christmas, now is the time to be getting your flu shot if you haven't already. Doctors say it can take 2 weeks to fully take effect.
If you've not yet gotten your flu shot and you're at risk for serious illness from the flu, you should plan to get it now. It's not too late.
And following the Thanksgiving holiday, COVID cases are on the rise again as well.
COVID has yet to become seasonal like other respiratory viruses. Its activity has been very consistent, a little bit lower, a little bit higher, but we think we'll see COVID throughout the winter months pretty consistently.
Doctors at Novant Health continue to stress that getting vaccinated is the best way to stay healthy.
The majority of patients that are being admitted continue to be unvaccinated or undervaccinated, meaning they did not complete their primary series or receive a recommended booster dose.
Doctors say if you're high risk, think about wearing a mask again.
So if you're an older adult in particular, particularly an older adult who's not had a booster, who has other healthcare problems potentially, if you're going to be in spaces with large groups of people enclosed inside during the winter months with poor ventilation, you ought to consider wearing a mask.
If you do see someone wearing a mask, doctors say please respect their decision to do so. Carolyn Bruck, WCNC Charlotte.